of them can't stop mafia from speak. When me say freedom of speech, when me say again freedom of speech. Oh, freedom of speech. When them hear that one, you will weak, them a go weak.
People production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Bless hello and greetings all my viewers and subscribers, my kings and queens, my lion and my lioness. I hope all is blessed. And as usual, I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health. Now, you know, sir, health over well, though. And right now, we come to talk about problem child, the brother from Westmoreland. Right here, a lot of problem. Well, them day has come to a end. You know what I mean? Where you want the police them had an altercation, shootout, and you know one way to go. Him now go in. See? So right now, we see it at the Star. People might rejoice. But here, after the break, you don't know Lion Foot, you know.
Welcome to Lion Foot TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Cold-blooded murderer, for no reason you go around and not take people's life. Why? How would you feel if another man murder your mama and your picnic and your wife? I'm a man of truth and rights. No violence, me not inside. Never. Enough I will not pick up badness and no parents can't afford a night. Yeah man, stop the crime, you know. Crime agent. You see me? DJ Baba music, you know. Yeah man. If I could work, Magic Crime would have vanished. Go and purchase that song. It's available on all platforms. Now my viewers and subscribers. It's a quick one. I them there I go up on the work. Seeing this now after 4 in the morning. Seeing? Yeah, big light then at the background. So I just go through the storm because I don't know if I keep up to date to do what I go on in the world. And I don't know, you see me? Yeah man, so big up all of my fans them out there. You see it? Yeah man, Peter, big up yourself, you know. Big up all of my fans them. All the lion and the lioness them. I'm more love, see? Love, you know. Yeah man, support is gratefully appreciated and immense. You know what I mean? Yes. So I seen at the start, I say, yo, Westmoreland residents break silence so the people might come forward. And I tell the police, them say, yo, a long time him for dead. You see me? I don't know if I pick up the gun and you have the foolishness. You have bad man, you know. We are top shotter, you know. And I do great things, you know. Remember one time I was a juvenile. Used to have a brother named Outlaw. Real killer. See? And them bad man and I'm full white. Be a white him wear. I remember one day I play ball and me kick the ball and the ball side the man. White shirt, you see me? Man, just come out clean. And I say, yo, blood sleep, I start fretting, you know. I laugh, the man laugh and say, you're good man. You see me? And just walk off same way and kick the ball, you see it? Them man I'm rate, them man go rob and come give people things. You see me? Unfortunately, he died same way by the police shootout. You know what I mean? But yes, my viewers and subscribers, they watch the light, you know. You see me? I don't know in the morning, you know. And we are vlog on the go. So the Westmoreland people them are in peace right now. We got the whole Westmoreland. You see me? Yeah. So that's the Westmoreland police say residents of Bethel Town in the parish have been coming forward, giving the police information. See? Since the death of the parish feared criminals. You know what I mean? Rainer White, otherwise called Problem Child, was fatally shot by police after reportedly engaged them in a shootout in Galloway, Bethel Town on August the 25th. That was 3 days ago. Zine, I don't know them place there, but you don't know. Big up Westmoreland. We're not peace right now until another culprit rise again. See, so now we can be careful. In Jamaica is polluted with crime and violence and beer scamming and, you know what I mean, generalship from the politician them right around every angle where you turn. You see me? So that's in July this year, a woman was reportedly walking. This is one of the women who come forward now. So she was walking in July, you see, last month, and reportedly along the roadway in York District in the parish when she saw White approach her. Seen? He then brandished his firearm, pointed to her head, and proceeded to rob her of her cellular phone. Waste man, petty robbery. See, my text at pan woman and I rob them. You see me? According to the police, in another incident in August 11, this is recently, you know, White saw a 31-year-old woman standing at her gate in Galloway District, Betheltown. The woman alleged that White grabbed her. I remember this is alleged. Police them says alleged, they don't know if it's true or not, you know. So White grabbed her, pulled her in the bushes, and while pulling her, he hit her all over her body with the gun, dragging her into a makeshift house where he forced her to perform oral sex, and then he raped her. Waste man. The police says White was being investigated in connection with several rapes and robberies in the parish, and at the time of his death, warrants were issued for at least one case of robbery and one case of rape in Westmoreland. So tell me now, a big waste man that, when I go around and I rob, I rape. The people in the community, him never not got a road. Zine, him never not got a road. And a bad man them there. Mad man them the man, we never can get all a girl. We don't know if we go look, I'm going to fling two lyrics in our girl ears and say, yo baby love, what go on? Nah, like, you know, you look good, you know, you sweep me off on my feet, you know. Jano babes, you make me feel like, I don't want to hate. Yo, you make me you give me goosebumps all over my body. You see me? Full of lyrics, man. Yeah, me a boy full of lyrics, you know, and I say, that's me kind of easy, you know. Man a gal is from birth. A long time me I take off gal blouse and skirt. When them dehydrated and me quench them thirst. Over me them a fight and a curse. Look out for that single, you know. Kendall seems to be a big producer, big of myself. But anyway, my people, some boy don't know if we go look gal. See, the man a go around and a rob. Petty phone. See, I look a phone where, but you go down and mash up, I'm going to sell that for y'all 20 grand. See? But the greatest thing I love, you know, you're saying kill none of them. See? Him not take no life. The bad sad thing, him rape the girl and she perform oral sex. That is a scare him left in her life right now. Traumatized. She'll always remember that. See? My viewers and subscribers. Kings and King, lion and lioness. Some boy are race man and me lion foot say that. Born and grown in a garrison of badness. You see? I'm gonna rape man in the garrison. I molest them garrison. You see? Every man of them life for living. You can't tell a man no for bus gun or for bus gun, you know. You choose your destiny on the road with walk. See? But when you pick up the gun and you go do foolishness and go rob people in your community, I broke people's shop where I try, them look stall and all of them things there. See? And I go around and I rape the girl in the community. You see me? Go on road, go do your badness, man, and make your name, man. If a son want to do the thing. I know a lion foot of the man of peace, I will not support foolishness, but it is what it is. You know what I mean? The truth is an offense. I won't want to vex. You see me? Yes, my viewers and subscribers. We got the whole Westmoreland. Westmoreland is at peace for now, as I said, until another fool rise again. You get me? Yeah, man. My viewers and subscribers. I don't know a vlog, we have vlog on the go now. So big up on yourself and I love on the saying, Jamaica, be safe out there. Don't listen to them politics. Zine, about C19. Don't listen to them. My viewers and subscribers. I don't know until next time, you know. A lion foot in them. I say big up the whole Westmoreland, you know, big up the whole Jamaica, every crib is every corner. Live in love and use them. Think before you act. Saying, yeah man, think before you act, think before you click that bell or the fist. You see me? Yeah man. God a lead. God a the man. Do good and good will follow you. See? All of my ladies them, big up on yourself. The single mothers them, big up on yourself. The single father them, big up on yourself. See? Just live in love and peace. A lion foot until next time. Westmoreland is at peace until the next fool rise again. Yeah man, problem child. Real problem him that give him is a nuisance to the people them. See you know, him gone. Gone. Yeah man, peace and love. I'm out. Greetings one and all, for you see the image of your device and your lion foot in the ears and eyes. And today I'm representing for osanin.com. Now if your body is not feeling right, go and check out www.osanin.com website. They've got the right cure for sure. If you've got arthritis, blood problem, liver, kidney problem, you're feeling tiredness, you got pain in the body, just link up www.osanin.com. If you got urinating problem, if you want to lose weight, you got thick phlegm on the throat, link up www.osanin.com. Now, if you got constant tiredness, you want to feel young again, you want to replenish your skin or cleanse the whole body functional system, link up www.osanin.com. Remember, your health is your wealth. Go and check them out. Or you can contact them at 07944-893-015 worldwide. Yeah, on WhatsApp, or you can call them straight. Don't leave it until it's too late. Osanin.com. All courtesy of Genesis Radio and Saxon Sound.
Where you go by yourself? Where you go by yourself? Listen to me. If you're not going to like and share and subscribe and click the bell, just move on by yourself. You're too over impulsive. Real rascals.